Hi, so today we're looking at a roof problem and probably with roofs not joining up properly or eave heights being different, that type of thing. Looking at this appears not to be connected very well. And one of the things that I don't see is baselines or roof pitches. Now I know I can open up the roof to look at that, but what I'll do right now is I will go here to layers and look up baselines. Roof baseline polylines, turn those on. And baselines, turn those on. And let's also turn on roof labels. There we go. Oh, roof labels are on. There we go. I guess I just didn't notice it. So we'll notice that this is a 7 and an 8th pitch, a 4 and 12 pitch. And what have we got here? A 5.5 by 12. So we can't turn on automatic roof bills because right now Chief Architect doesn't seem to handle, at least unless I misunderstand something, it doesn't handle multiple pitches very well or at all in automatic rebuild. So now let's flip over to, well, let's just take a look at one more thing here. Let's take a look at what the overhangs are. So 1'5" different. So let's make that the same, 1'5". Make sure they're the same everywhere. 1'5", 1'5". 1'5". And this one, for some reason, doesn't want to. Oh yeah, there we go. 1'5". We're okay there. Okay there. And okay there. So yep. This is another roof pitch. Anyway, so now let's take a look at another view here. Let's open this up as a perspective view, and we'll just take a look at what we've got here. About connecting the roofs all together. We'll pull those back a little bit and connect that to that. And that looks good. However, we have a mismatch in roof baseline. So let's pick this baseline right here. Because you have different pitches if the eave height rather. The baselines are the same, but because this is a different pitch, it's going to make the eave a different height. So let's pick this as the reference, and this can be different depending on whatever project you're working on. So we'll open that one up, lock the pitch if we were going to change it, but copy the eave height there, fascia top height rather, and we will change these to all have the same. Well, isn't that interesting? Okay, I kind of get it. We'll make these the same. And same thing here, make this the same. we have connections there, and there, but that pitch puts this peak above this roof, and not really ideal. So I don't know what the original designer's intent was with these pitches, but let's change the pitch to something a little more shallow. We'll maintain the fascia top height and change the pitch, say, to 5 and 12. And that should do it. Now, pull the edges of the roof back a little bit. Join that to that. And join that to that. Much better. Let's take a look at the rest of the roofs here and see what we've got going on. We'll leave that where it is. Come around to the front here, and I can see there's a little gap here too. So let's just make some adjustments here. Pull those back a little bit. Join that to that. And what have we got going on here? There we go, that's much better. And I think we've solved the roof problem. I think everything is lining up pretty good now. Maybe this needs a little touch up as well. It's a good idea to pull the edges apart a little bit so that you avoid roofs trying to cross each other. And I see something else I'm going to fix that the client, or not the client, but the other chief architect user didn't ask me to. But this is obviously a porch. So let's make that a porch, which turns that to concrete. And this, unless they have very wealthy clients with peculiar tastes, shouldn't have a hardwood floor. So it changes to a garage. And typically the garage has a different elevation too than other floors. So let's just take a look and see what that is. See, it's the same floor. Let's make it -4 to put it a little bit below the floor level of the house. And that pretty much fixes all of the problems that the user mentioned in his post. And I hope that helps you with your chief architect project. So this is Doug Norton from Measurate. Thank you for watching my video.